In today's video, I am going to show you how to make corn dogs and you'll love this recipe. It's super simple and easy to recreate. So if you want to know how I made this, just watch this video to the end, okay? So here I have some sausages and I am going to cut them into two, but you can decide not to cut them. So on a medium heat, I will add it to my almost boiling water and I will allow it to come to a boil for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain it and allow it to cool down completely. So after that, take a skewer and then poke into the sausages. Continue with this till you are done with everything. Whilst at it, make sure to put your oil on medium heat, okay? Show you how to prepare them. Everything food. I rat kitchen. Everything food. I rat kitchen. Everything food. I rat kitchen. In a bowl, I will go in with evaporated milk, 1 large egg. I will leave all the measurements down in the description box. I added sugar, salt to taste, paprika powder, baking powder. Mix till it is well incorporated. I will then add my flour, and here I was supposed to add some cornmeal, which I don't have some at hand currently. So if you don't have cornmeal, you can still do it, okay? And make sure your butter is thick as this, okay? So I am going to transfer it into a long glass. If you don't want your place to be messy, please get a funnel and then use it to do it, okay? So here my butter is ready and I am going to put it close to the oil because I have to do everything fast, 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 fast. So here, let me demonstrate before I go. So here you would dip the sausage into the butter like this and make sure it is well coated. Immediately you coat it, just go and put it in your moderate oil. Don't let it be too hot, I beg you. And then toss it around just for some few seconds or a minute and then leave it and allow it to fry till golden brown. Then you know your corn dog is ready. So I will continue with this process till I'm done. And here, make sure to be fast, okay? If not, the first one will cook faster than the others. So here I am going to put only 3. I couldn't wait to finish before taking a bite. This thing was so good, guys. Just give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Keep on tossing it gently for it to cook evenly. It is golden brown now, and I am okay with the consistency. So I will remove it from the oil and then place it on a tissue paper or tissue towel, whatever, and allow the towel to strain the oil very well. And I am I am going to continue with the process till I'm done with all the sausages. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and turn your notification on so you don't miss any of my uploads, okay? And I am on all other social media platforms as Hayrat's Kitchen. Do well and engage on my post, okay? Because it is not easy. Oh. So next, I am going to make the dipping sauce for the corn dog, and I will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, add ketchup, powdered pepper, white pepper, and then give it a good mix. I will mix it very well for it to mix properly, and then I will enjoy it with my hot corn dog. Okay. Guys, just try this recipe, okay? It tastes so good. Boy, I couldn't resist to, and my kids really enjoy this thing. And I'm sure gonna do it for them once again. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.